and welcome to another session of Phoenix Wright Trials and Tribulations with Chaos Counseling. I missed you. I missed you.
None of us missed you.
Leg.
Honey, I keep doing that. I'm going to say something that's probably going to have to be pulled from the channel.
Oh no.
Oh dear.
That'd be sad, monsieur.
I banished you to the Harry Potter closet, but it's kind of dangerous in there right now.
It's also blocked by a tree.
Yep.
Well, that's what I mean. Is that entrance is not particularly safe to go in.
So long as that paper exists, I am but a delightful angel with the broken wings. An angel, huh? Doesn't bode well when you think about it. They kept harassing me month after month. In the end, I had to give in. I agreed to help them. Help them? With what? I've been sued. If I did not owe them the money, I would have refused. But my hands were tied.
Please, what did you agree to help them with?
None, I cannot say. If I tell you, that woman, she would slice me up and eat me with the salad garnish.
I hope he doesn't mean that he'll literally be sliced up and served with garnish.
Well, yeah, what the hell did you think he meant?
I'm going to guess that woman has something to do with your loan contract. Am I right?
Please, Mr. Armstrong, tell us about that woman. Oh. I love his just little sigh of, oh.
Just like a...
The woman who was here earlier, I take it that she's,
Why has it come to this? What a tragedy. Suddenly I find myself so deep in the debt. It is a sign of the bad world we live in, huh?
No, I'd say it's more of a sign of the bad culinary skills.
The woman was here. The scary woman. She is from the loan office.
Loan office? Is that where you borrowed $500,000 from?
Oui, and the lender it is called. Catchy name. Just hearing it makes me want to borrow some money.
Please refrain.
Don't.
Please, you must not borrow from them if you must no more than $10.
$10? Sounds like your whole monthly stipend, Maya.
Hey, I get a bit more than that, thank you very much.
So Tenda Lender is a loan office you borrowed $500,000 from?
I wonder if they've got anything to do with this case.
No freaking way.
I am a weak woman. When I was upset, I have to buy something nice to cheer me up. Thanks to him loaning me the money, I have to pay back $500,000 now. I am like a slave. I have to do everything that he tells me. Who's he? The tiger. The tiger?
La Tigre.
I wanted to say that, but
Yeah.
yeah. He is the manager of the Tender Lender, a terrifying man, the big city mobster. When he shouts at me, my knees are trembling and his voice is ringing in my ears for 3 days. It's horrible. As soon as I hear the noise of that battered old scooter he rides, I start to cry.
A big city mobster who rides a battered old scooter? Does this guy resemble me by any chance?
Oh, no. This man has a presence, a most formidable personality.
Ouch.
Leg. Although, he does have the spiky hair just like you. There is a resemblance there, I suppose.
Sounds like this loan office is worth checking out after all.
If you want to visit the Tender Lender, it is just beyond Vitamin Square. Hey, Nick.
Just up Suppository Lane.
If you need money, I can loan you some, as long as it's less than $3.
Up ass.
Thanks for the offer. Just beyond Vitamin Square, huh?
All right. Time to go. Oh, well, I'm gonna head back to the precinct now. We've got a big meeting starting in a bit.
About Maggie's case, you mean?
No, that's pretty much wrapped up now. There's another big case going down in the moment. So she's been pushed aside.
Okay, well, see you later then.
Bye!
Oh, hi.
You better get going, detective, or you'll be late.
Actually, I've got kind of a favor to ask. It's a big one.
Favor?
Yeah, it's for, Maggie, actually. I was kind of hoping you'd give this to her for me.
What is it?
It's a lunchbox. I got up early so I can make it.
Aww.
I've been real worried about her. She looked like she lost a lot of weight.
Aw, Detective Gumshoe. How many weenies are in here? There's not a person on Earth who could down this much meat.
If you read the right fan fiction.
Are you testing her, Gumshoe?
No. No. I had pure innocent thoughts.
Okay. I
Honey,
guess it's just me.
you don't get to play Smash Bros when it comes out.
I love weenies. I had to get that line in there somewhere. I just can't get.
Also, don't get to play Smash Bros.
I just
Sunshine.
can't
Bitch,
get
I don't
enough.
have a Switch.
I just can't get
You
enough
know
of their
what? Get
tender
the dark side of
juiciness.
the channel.
I love how you got so close to the fuck.
I just realized I said, bitch, I don't have a Switch.
That's the best freaking phrase ever!
I'm so sorry. I talked over that. I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, bitch, I don't have a Switch.
I feel really bad. I talked over that. I'm so
No, it's
sorry.
okay.
You also don't get Christmas.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
bud.
So will you give it to her? It took me ages to make, so please say you will, pal.
Can't exactly say no, can I?
Actually, you can. If you really wanted to.
Gumshoe's lunchbox given to Maya to carry.
I promise I won't eat it. Maybe I'll eat it myself if I get hungry.
Don't forget, okay? I'm counting on you to give that to Maggie. Okay, bye.
He's finally gone.
Uh-huh, good.
There's like a little tiny note in there that's like, I'm sorry, Maggie. And Maya's like, ah, get the food.
So you're in the way!
Tender lender.
What the hell?
January 7, Tender Lender.
That's it.
This place gives off a really strange vibe, doesn't it?
Looks like the tiger isn't in his lair. And that is, as I say, a very good thing.
Welcome.
Talk about a creepy voice. Makes your soul want to shrivel up and die.
You're here to discuss a loan.
No, not exactly.
The manager is away at the moment. Wait quietly. Please.
And I won't have to break your kneecaps. You cocksucking motherfucker.
She's gone! Just like that! Where'd she go, Nick? Is she a ghost?
I guess we'll just have to come back another time.
But this is the perfect opportunity, Nick! This place reeks of suspicion. Come on, Nick! Let's take a look around, okay?
Do you think it'd be okay?
Of course! No one will ever know. Coffee? I'll leave it here for you to enjoy. Quietly.
Yes, thank you.
Do not touch the desk. Please.
Now she wants to get out of here?
I'm
At
not
the
ready!
desk. There's a CD player on the desk. The desk is so loud, it's no wonder you can hear it.
Lid's open. I wonder what kind of music the tiger's into. Have you finished the coffee?
Yes, thanks. It was lovely.
I just dumped it out.
So, you drank it all? If you touch anything else that doesn't belong to you, there's always another cup.
Have I made it clear that I'm
That coffee.
evil
It was laced with
yet?
something. I'm almost sure of it.
Nick, my stomach is killing me! Oh, wait. Maybe it was just the burger I ate for breakfast.
I sure hope so. Better take a look at that CD while we're still alive and have the chance. What the?
What? It's It's not the Rocco soundtrack, is it? Claw the Tiger?
It's a demo CD. The artist's name has been handwritten on the disc in pen. MC Bomber?
What?
This must be the CD Maggie told us about.
Let's listen to it. I bet it's heavy metal.
No way, that woman will make us drink more coffee if we do.
Crap.
MC Bomber, enter the court record.
No one wants coffee.
Let's see. This round doll thing is it's called a Daruma, right? I think. I figured I'd read a book or two to be more cultured, in case you're wondering.
You mean you aren't making stuff up for a change?
I bet you also didn't know that no matter what, he'll always right himself. Go on, Nick. Give him a good shove.
Only if I feel like dying.
Now, this yellow thing, this is a Japanese chess piece. I think it's a king. Not that I'm an expert or anything. I'm more of a reversey person, you know?
Assuming she knows what she's talking about, these aren't exactly your typical mobster wannabe items. They're not trophies, are they?
Hey, there's a piece of paper sticking out from under here.
What is it? A repair bill? Looks like he did some repair work on his car. Does he even have one? 15,000 to replace a bumper and a light? That's insane.
That is insane. The car's registered to the Cadaverinis.
Wow, I wonder what that's supposed to be.
I have no idea.
It's cadaverific!
Huh? So it's not even the tiger's car? Why would someone else's repair bill be in the tiger's office? Repair bill, add to the court record.
Oh no, someone's dropped the ashtray on the floor. That's gonna be a nightmare to clean up.
Yeah, it's all over the rug and everything.
I accidentally knocked over a really big space heater once. Cleaning up was such a pain. Hello?
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 That might be the delivery I was expecting.
UPS! Have you brought me a present? It was one of those super antiques where, I can't read because Luke's in the way. I love you, honey. You have to burn a ton of charcoal.
How did she manage to knock over one of those over? Are they supposed to be super heavy?
Oh, hey, there's a book of matches here. Yay!
Matches, huh? Places don't give those out much nowadays. Wait a second.
What is it?
Look what's printed on the back. It says Tribulations.
They give out matchbooks? That's so chic.
These matches could come in handy. We might be able to use them.
Yeah, the pilot light for the office boiler keeps going out.
Swing and a miss, Maya. Swing and a miss.
Oh, those are big.
Those are super thick books. Audience can't see this, but...
We just got some books for
oh, those are thick!
Dad. They're, Tarzan and John Carter, respectively.
Respectively.
They're fat. Legs.
Those were bigger than some of my textbooks.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
I hear. Yeah,
Well, that's
so-
because the John Carter is 7 books in one. Tarzan is 5 in one.
Hey, look at this Parisian style coat. It's so chic.
It's more like a pimp coat to me. Guess I haven't got an eye for fashion.
Hey, look at this. This suit is the same color as the one you wear, Nick.
Same color as my suit?
I was thinking
Keep your voice down, Maya.
Nick, you've got to take a look at this. Some cake. I'll just leave it here for you. Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Paper Mario 2 has taught me never to accept cake from strange people.
Just wait here quietly. Otherwise.
well, one cake was good in that game.
Sure.
Otherwise,
Beautiful.
I wonder what the audience will think what that is. Please, if you're watching this series,
Comment and subscribe.
I'm really curious to see what people thought that was.
Did you hear that, Nick? Wait quietly, she said.
Yeah, sure.
Maya, you've been the one being noisy. Nick's been pretty quiet.
I have my eye on you. Only so I can take care of you. Understand?
He's yawning like, oh, so what?
And I'm used to this now, Maya.
What were you getting so excited about before?
Look, on the lapel of the suit.
That's an attorney's badge.
Is the tiger a lawyer?
No way, look at this badge. It's made out of paper.
Yeah, Kendall would know all about making badges out of cardboard.
I would know all about making a freaking couch out of cardboard.
Yeah, that was awesome.
What?
Yeah, I made so I had a 3D design class back when I was roommates with Abby.
Mm-hmm.
And one of our, I think it was like it was our final? I think it was our final. We had to basically make a chair out of cardboard.
Oh.
And it had to, support our own weight. So I kind of made mine into a weirdly shaped couch that I could sit on and put my legs up on.
It was awesome.
It works. It actually, I kind of broke the arm stands on it, but it acts as a freaking table that is holding a TV in the basement. So I made that thing pretty well.
Yeah!
Paper badge added to the court record.
For some reason, your badge suddenly looks really cheap to me, Nick.
Why doesn't anyone recognize an obviously fake badge when they see one?
You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Come out from under the desk, Maya. What are you snooping around in my office for? Nothing. We were just... My precious carpet usually got ash in my rug. I'm gonna wish your ugly feet never came through my door. It wasn't us. It wasn't like that. You just wanna argue with me? Is that what you doing? You think you can take me on?
Well, considering Nick was in a fighting game, yes, actually I would bet on him.
I'm gonna flatten you two into pancakes and turn you into my new rugs.
Like, he fought the Hulk. And he's still alive, so I'm still voting on Nick.
Oh, Don Tigre, you're back.
That voice. It's like an evil seeping into your head through your ears.
I'm sorry, Don Tigre. I knocked over that ashtray before, and...
And she got a death wish or what? Alright. Huh? Forget about it, Violetta. It's nothing. What? Ain't gonna get mad at me. You're too cute, you hear? That's so unfair.
You know, Nick
Yeah.
was in a fighting game. Do you think Nick could ever be in Smash Bros?
Have some cookies. I just baked them.
Maybe he has
I
an
just
assist
realized
trophy.
she's the anti-Maya.
It took you this long?
And you'll need some strong espresso while you're discussing your loan. You know, I can see her just like literally like floating and hovering out of rooms like freaking demon mist. Just like, you'll need some espressos. Just floats backwards into the
Oh, God.
She's, like the second episode of One Punch Man where the mole guy's trying to get away from Saitama. Found you. Just that face that he made. That's her all the time.
Phoenix Wright. Yes? You see the crazy just plain stupid to chase after me. I worked so hard, but now she used to get to come and mess up my plan.
Again, Nick Hulk.
So it was him. He's my phony. Yeah, but I don't care. No one gets in my way. What? I mean, excuse me? You should have left the little girl at home, right? Everything's all right. No questions. This is the last time we meet.
Bum bum ba burn.
Wait, but please.
That was pretty weak, Nick. As she like slowly crawls out, like shaking like a newborn lamb, just coming out of the bed, just like. You waited until he was out of earshot before you shouted at him.
Like you're one to talk. Didn't hear you scream, "Hold it!" either.
The espresso. And cookies.
This woman is definitely not good for my heart. Now, what was it the tiger called her? Violetta?
We will talk to her next time.
Next time!
I love Violetta. She's so fun to voice.
Oh, dear.
Oh gosh,
no.
Violetta struck again! No!
Oh, no,
She got
Violetta.